Namaste, this is Project Natural Disaster Management System, a model designed to direct, alert, and respond to natural disasters in a reliable and intelligent manner.
Natural disaster occurs unexpectedly and cause loss of lives, damage to property, and disruption to society. In many cases, delay in response to lack of early warning system worsen the impact. School, homes, coastal zones, and hill areas are particularly vulnerable. The problem is not only the occurrence of disaster but also the unpreparedness of people to respond quickly. Thus, there is a pressing need for an automated disaster management model that can stimulate how quick response can reduce damage, ensure safety, and give awareness to the public. Response can reduce damage, ensure safety, and give awareness to the public.
Types of disasters we have included in our project are fire, flood, cyclone, earthquake, landslide, soil erosion, tsunami, volcanic eruption, avalanche, sandstorm, blizzard, and drought. Here are the things we have used in natural disaster management system. Shake Alert is a website created by Chrome. We have included it in our project. FloodUp is also a website created by Chrome. We have used it in our project. Encardiorite is a website created by Encardiorite company which was created by Amod Gujaral. This is our website. When we get started, we can see the dashboard page where we have the dashboard materials required and report all the details. Then we have the types of disasters and the level, and we have the information about disaster. Then we have the required materials for each disaster, example fire. Then we have the submit disaster alert. When they submit, we will send them SMS, WhatsApp, and mail when the disaster nears them, like flood. Then we have the live AI and chat support. In AI they can chat with the AI, and they can also chat in public chat. Then we have the disaster reports of last disasters, and about to contact us. This is our Excel disaster predictor where the date, time, disaster type, location, severity level, NDMS response are recorded so that we can predict the future disasters, which will be stored in the SD card with module.
When the MQT sensor senses the fire, when the MQT sensor senses a small flame, the fire LED and buzzer turns on so that the people can act fastly. When the ADXL 345 sensor senses a small vibration in the epicenter of the ground, the earthquake LED and buzzer turns on so that the people can evacuate as fastly. When the when the DSC11 and humidity sensor senses the air, the cyclone LED turns on so that the people can act fast. When the soil moisture senses the looseness of the soil, the landslide LED, the landslide LED turns on so that the both LED and buzzer turns on so that the people can um, act, evacuate. Same soil mass is sensor for soil erosion. When it senses the looseness of the soil, it will alert so that the people will evacuate and the rescue team will come. When the MQ7 senses the fire, the volcanic eruption LED and buzzer turns on so that the people will get out immediately. When the LDR detects, when the LDR does not detect the light, the sandstorm and the blizzard LEDs turn on. One LDR for sandstorm, one LDR for blizzard. When the webcam senses the high level of the water, the tsunami LED and buzzer turns on so that the people can evacuate fastly. The same ADXL 345 sensor for avalanche, when it senses a vibration in the underground, the avalanche LED and buzzer turns. when the MQ sensor senses the flame, the exit gates are opens on so that the people can escape. For earthquake, landslide, soil erosion, the safety vault servo opens on so that the people will get into it as soon as possible. In the safety vault, there is a underground area where people can go and stay. We will cover it with a strong. When the rain sensor detects the rain, the LED buzzer and servo turns on so that the vehicles in the street do not fall, and the servo opens and the water will be stored in the underground, which can be used in future drought situations as well.
This is our NTMS control room website used for rescuing. Here we have a live disaster status and we can edit the condition of disaster. You can see a radar here to find disaster nearby using GPS. Using update status button, we can update the disaster condition. We have a history of disaster here. Our app name is Disaster Guardian. This is our home page. Now you can see the demo of our app.
While doing this in project, our model costs between 3 to 5K, but while doing this in real, it will cost more. But life is important than money.